So with your current skincare routine, can you just talk me through the products you use, how you use them, when you use them? Do you have ones you use only in the morning, in the night, that sort of thing, just so I've got an idea?
Okay, so I use a cleanser.
Hmm.
Well, in the evening, if I've worn makeup, I take the day off and take my makeup off.
Hmm.
Then I'll rinse my face. Then I'll use a cleanser. Then a toner,
Hmm.
serum,
Hmm.
eye cream, and possibly a moisturiser, but I don't always remember.
So you double cleanse in the evening, you tone, you use your serum. Do you have an eye cream?
Yeah, eye cream.
Eye cream,
So,
and moisturiser, but sometimes you forget to use it.
yeah.
Okay. And then in the morning you do the exact same thing, just don't double cleanse.
Yeah.
Okay. And with your cleansers, what sort of consistency are you using? Like, is it cream? Is it oil? Is it foam? Is it a balm? That sort of thing.
It's cream.
Cream. Okay. And how's your face feel after you've cleansed it? Do you
Fresher.
fresh?
Yeah.
You feel like it does the job?
Yeah, because I use a cotton pad to take the cleanser off, and it's disgusting. It's got loads of dirt on it.
Okay, and then you rinse your face with water and all that?
Yeah.
Okay. And so you don't use any exfoliators, you don't use a mask?
Sometimes I use a mask, but again, it's when I remember.
And what type of mask, if you can remember what it is? Is it cream, gel, is it mud, is it clay?
I think it's a mud.
So it goes quite tight and it's not very hydrating on the skin?
Yeah, sometimes I use mud and other times I use like a milky clay one.
Okay. But you don't use any sort of creamy ones that just give you instant hydration, anything like that?
No.
Okay. And that's all you do? Nothing else?
No, that's it.
Okay. So with the products that I'm going to use today, so it will be cleansing, exfoliating. Once I've had a little look at your skin, I will definitely use a mask, but whether I use one or two, which one will also depend on what skin type you are. Then after the mask, I'll do a massage, then finishing with your serum, your eye cream, your moisturiser and all of that. With the massage, I might use a rose quartz crystal, so you might feel a tool being used. Let's get started. Is that okay?
Yep.
So with your products, do you have any ones that are mainly for anti-aging, like giving the skin plumpness?
Yeah, my cleansers, anti-aging, and my moisturiser.
Okay. So you've still got good elasticity in your skin, so when I can pinch it, your skin just bounces back to its normal position, doesn't drag down and slowly get into it. You do have some slight pigmentation, mainly around the eye area, just here.
Okay.
Do you use any SPF, so sunscreen at all?
Yes.
When you have blackheads, do you squeeze them out?
I used to.
Okay, so where you may have done that, especially around the nose, if that's where you did it,
Yep.
you can damage the skin. So you can squeeze too much, especially in this area, and it can break the capillaries. Okay, so for you, your skin's more on the dry side than on the oily side, which is fine. Just going to use some more hydrating, soothing products for you. For Kate, I'm using a soothing, hydrating cleanser, which is cream based. So if your skin is quite dry, it's lacking that nourishment, it's feeling a bit flaky, then a cream cleanser is going to be best for you. You don't want to use a foam one. This is going to be way too stripping. It's going to take all the moisture out. Foam is usually used for oily skin or combination skin. So if you're dry skin, bit of flakiness, then I would recommend a cream cleanser. If you're also experiencing some early signs of aging or in the peak of aging where you've got fine lines and wrinkles, you can use a cream cleanser. You can use maybe a balm. That would be really good just to help really deep clean the skin, deep clean within the wrinkles. But if you're experiencing a lot of signs of aging and that is your main concern, then a resurfacing cleanser would also be beneficial. This will help the texture of your skin as well as clean the skin. So if you're experiencing some uneven texture, for example, bumpy skin, then a resurfacing cleanser is going to really help you with this. So your eye cream that you use as well, is that more for hydration? Is it more to help with wrinkles? Is it both?
It's both.
Both, okay. For Kate, I decided to use a cream-based mask. This will help with her hydration because that's what she is lacking. So if you're someone who does have dry skin, if your skin is flaking, then I would recommend using a heavy cream mask at least once a week after you've cleansed your skin. And this will really just help give the skin all the nourishment it needs. You'll see an instant change in hydration. You want to leave the mask on for about 10 to 15 minutes so it has soaked in as much as it possibly can. Don't use a clay-based mask if you have dry skin because this will just suck all the moisture out because it stays on the skin, it hardens the skin and it draws out all the oil. So don't use clay if you do have dry skin. So to help the skin absorb the eye cream, I'm using a rose quartz roller, and this also just helps to depuff the eyes and any dark circles as well. This is reduced because the rose quartz is very cool on the skin, so this is going to really help brighten the eyes. Using a rose quartz roller is a really good way to awaken the eyes as well. So the best time to use it is in the morning. This will just help freshen the skin around the eyes. You don't want to apply too much pressure because the skin surrounding the eyes is extremely thin. So just apply a light pressure just to help soak the eye cream in. Really important as well that you do use a toner after you've cleansed, because this just helps get the skin back to its normal pH level before you apply any serum and any moisturiser. For the serum on Kate, I'm using a nourishing anti-aging serum. Serums are really important to use in your skincare morning and night. These are a lot thinner than a moisturiser, so the skin is able to absorb them much deeper into the skin's layers. So this is going to really help nourish the skin and go deep within any fine lines and wrinkles Kate has, and just help plump them out a little bit more. Going forward with your skincare routine, it would be better to add more anti-aging products that will help stimulate collagen production, that will have vitamin A ingredients, vitamin C ingredients. So the best product to go forward with is a night cream. So night creams you only use at night, hence the word. And it's just slightly heavier than a moisturiser sometimes, so you've got more ingredients going in there. And if you focus more on your vitamin C and collagen and probiotics, peptides, those main ingredients are all going to help plump the skin and stretch the skin so you won't see wrinkles as much.
Okay.
Your serum that you're using is good, your eye cream is brilliant, you know, you're getting that hydration, you're getting that vitamin C from the eye cream. Just with a night cream, you'll get more benefits from the overall skin.
So do I use that after the serum? And
Yes.
then the night cream, not the moisturiser?
Yes, so your night routine would be double cleansing. You would then tone, you would apply your serum, you'd apply your eye cream, then you'd apply your night cream. So if you're going to use your night cream, you don't use your moisturiser, it's too much cream for the skin. You can, depending on some night creams, you can sometimes use them as a mask. So you could do an extra sort of thicker layer of the cream, leave it on the skin. You could rub it in, or you could just remove it and put moisturiser on, but it's more beneficial to leave it on the skin. Some creams are sort of 2-in-1. But yeah, a night cream. And with your mask that you're using, you mentioned that it was quite clay based, that sort of thing. Those masks are brilliant, but for you, you don't need to use it often because it's so deep cleansing and purifying. That's the main benefit of clay and mud, those sort of masks. For you, you want more cream masks, so for that hydration, for that brightening, giving you a radiance look, that plumpness. So that's your main focus. You can still use your clay one by all means, just not as often as you would think, because you don't need to deep cleanse your skin as
Okay.
much as you would think. But other than that, your routine is great at home. Like I used a rose quartz roller around the eyes.
Nice.
It's just good to brighten the eye appearance, especially in the morning. It will just help to depuff and just lighten the area, so you can put your eye cream on and then use the roller just around the eyes. But just going forward, night cream for you, main thing. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.